My name is Susan Combs, and I'm the president of Combs & Company, which is an insurance brokerage firm here in New York City. Today we're going to talk about how to negotiate a car accident insurance claim. So when you've had a vehicle accident, it can be very upsetting, and it can be more upsetting when you see what the insurance company is willing to pay back to you. So the thing is, if you want to dispute this, you need to gather as much information as possible. You need to know what your policy says. You need to know exactly what's covered on your policy, the limits that are covered, and things like that. You also need to know what the damage is worth. So if you get, a couple of garages to give you quotes and estimates, and you know exactly what you're going to be paying. And then you need to be ready to kind of play ball. So just because an insurance company says, hey, I'm going to give you $500 for this, but after getting 3 quotes that the minimum you can get it done is $750, you can kind of negotiate with them. The last thing is you need to know when to seek legal advice. I mean, if you're kind of running into a wall and you've written letters to the insurance company to ask them to reassess the claim, and they're not budging, then take a look at calling an attorney and seeing somebody that focuses on auto claims, and they'll know how to what buttons to push with the insurance company and try to get you more money.